Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply filters to your searches in the Bolt Food application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look up there in your screen and you will find there a search bar. Press on it and here you can just write in something that you would like to buy, for example a pizza. And you can see here the results here, the stores basically that sell pizza and the offers. And if you want to apply filters, you can just look at the top of your right corner and there you will see two lines with two dots on them. You can just press on it. And here you can just apply filters, for example, closest, cheapest delivery, fast delivery, top rated, many discount, special offers, and everything else. You can see all the filters here. You can just press on them, check mark it if you want to, and once it is done you can just press apply down below and you will be able to see the results afterwards. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.